Hi, welcome to another video, and here I'm going to unbox a new Louis Vuitton bag I've gotten, and it's the Louis Vuitton No Way BB bag, which is actually one of my favorites, and I decided to get it after a while of actually liking the bag and just deciding if I wanted to purchase it because I knew there was a lot of price increases that would be coming up soon, so I just decided let me get it now. And let me show you the bag. I'll show the packaging first because the packaging is pretty amazing. This is actually my first Louis Vuitton item since I've been into luxury, which has been about a year now. So here's the box. It's quite a big box, a very big box. And it comes with a ribbon. I've already opened it. Comes like this. It's just a box. It's a very nice color, and it comes with the dust bag. Louis Vuitton dust bag, and it also came with these. I don't know what this is. Let me check what this is. I think this might be the authenticity card. I've never had a Louis Vuitton item before, so I'm not actually sure what this is. I don't know. Can you open it? Oh. This is actually difficult to open. It's actually just a blank card. They actually just give a blank card. I have no idea what that was for. Absolutely no idea, but they just like to give a blank card. I don't know why. And then this, which I'm pretty sure is the receipt. Let's open that. Yeah, just a thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. And it just says our products are crafted by experienced artisans. I really cannot read clearly. With the finest materials. Yeah, it just says that. And is there anything else in here? Another blank. I mean, they really like to waste paper. Clearly, really like to waste paper. They have so many blank cards just here. Oh yeah, there's actually another one. Another something in here. It's just about the exchanges and returns. It's just about the exchanges and returns. So there's nothing too much. I thought like it would be like in Dior where they have the actual receipt, but I guess they don't give you that. But yeah, it's not really much. It just comes with these, and obviously I'm going to show the bag now. The bag is here. Here's the inside of the bag. And it comes with, I think this might be the authenticity card because it has the barcode. Yeah. Oh my god, sorry about that dog barking. The dog barking. Yeah. I think this might be the card if you scan it. I'm not sure what it actually does if you scan it, but I have to scan it after. So here's the bag. It's a bucket bag. I love bucket bags actually. They're very youthful and kind of artsy and very versatile. They fit so much, so. And I got it before there's any price increases, so I'm really lucky that I got it. Can you just draw it together? I'm not really sure how it works, like if you tie it here, or I'm sure that's. And here's the straps. It's the No Way BB, so I think there's a bigger one than this, and I think there's another smaller one than this. And Obviously, I'll be wearing crossbody. It's just like that. So yeah, it's a very beautiful bag, and it's obviously canvas. I think, yeah, this says the materials here. It says exterior textile, a coated fabric, and the interior is a synthetic textile. And then the trim is leather, and then it has the product. It says where to get the product guidelines on the website. So yeah, it's a really lovely bag. I like how it's a lighter, which contrasts with the canvas monogram. And I mean, I was never really into the monogram before. I thought they actually go through a lot of things, so maybe I'm actually a Louis Vuitton monogram person. And obviously, because there's quite a lot of things, I was kind of put off by a monogram, even with Dior's oblique. I'm really not a fan of the oblique, but I don't know, maybe 2022 is the year of changing, because I actually really like this. And I don't know, brown bags seem to actually go with a lot of things, more than you would actually think, so I don't be using this a lot and clearly fit a lot inside. So yeah, that's the unboxing of it, and yes, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.